Ooh, hair tea. Hi everybody, good morning and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today's video is going to be a get ready for a long trip with me. It's been a while since I have gone on a trip for over a week by myself also. So we're gonna start prepping and getting ready for that. So I decided to show you what I do to get prepared for a trip, any hacks I have. We're doing it all, but first we're getting some coffee to start. So let's do that. The creamers of the month is I got this like organic creamer from Sprouts. It's hazelnut, naturally flavored, and the ingredients are milk, organic milk, cream, cane sugar, and organic hazelnut flavor. Just 4 ingredients. So I'm gonna keep getting this because I've been very particular about the ingredients in my stuff. Actually, it's been like that. I've been like that for a couple years, but it's the first time I've actually gone to stores like Sprouts because my sister went and she was like, "You'd really like it," and I never went, and then I finally did, and she was right. Dare I say she was right. And then she got this Chobani coffee creamer, which I've heard people talk about a lot, but also the ingredients, there's only 3 ingredients, so I've just been feeling much more comfortable using stuff like this for my morning coffees. We're looking casual casual today. Sorry, I just inhaled something. So as of now, I put the pumpkin out because when I come back is fall. Is vacation, then fall. So I have a little cord or outlet thing for Australia. I don't know why it's not focusing, but I know that there are different like little plugs. So I got one of those. My passport. I put like a little journal my friend gave me. And then this is for work. This FedEx. That's also for work. The computer under. And that's just, I don't want to forget it. So as of now, I have my clothes in this corner. We're going to go through, I don't know why this isn't focusing today. Oh, there it is. We're going to go through what all I'm bringing. I'm bringing these 2 bags because I have to bring stuff for work too. And I also want to get a few gifts and things. So I want to make sure I can fit everything. And I'm going to be gone for 9 days, and I'm sorry. And it's like still technically winter there. So I want to make sure that I have everything that I need, because there's no way I'm going to be stuck 20 hours away without the stuff that I need, and I don't care. I don't care if I'm overpacking. I don't care. Talk to someone else. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy my coffee. Then I have to run a work errand, which is not that big of a deal. And then we're going to come back and just get things more situated, because I don't want to be stressing about this tomorrow. I went to the wrong FedEx, so we're gonna go to the other one, which is 20 minutes away, not 2 minutes away like I thought. So that's great. That always happens for some reason. Not the most exciting thing we've ever done together, but that's what we have to do. Yeah. It's a new day. Oh my gosh, I'm zooming in. I did not mean to do that, and I can't zoom out. It's a new day. I never came back. I never came back after my errand yesterday, and honestly, not much has changed. I got some clothes packed, right? Things are happening. It's just, it's not all happening in an organized manner. Currently, I'm sorry, I'm not getting the tripod out right now. I'm not doing that. So I currently have my jeans, my dress, and my bottoms in one suitcase. So one little cube. I have to have casual outfits and work outfits. So I have this work dress. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this on me before, but I'm a fan. I got it from H&M. And then I have some dress pants in there. That's cute. I have a sweater. I have a bathing suit, PJs, everything under. Everything that goes under. And then I have a ton of shirts and sweaters. And that's it. I haven't purchased anything else. I have one workout set. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to show you guys all of the outfits I have because I plan to make a cute little video about it, so I'm not gonna sit here and spoil everything. I don't have a ton of jeans in here. I have, actually, I'm missing a pair of jeans. See, this is why we talk about this together, because imagine I forgot my other pair of jeans. Actually, nothing would happen. I would just convince myself to buy another pair. So I have one pair that's not ripped, two pairs that aren't ripped, another pair that is ripped. And then I have my New Balance sneakers. Apparently I bring these on every trip I go on. These are the best sneakers I've ever purchased ever. They were over $100. I want to say they were like $120. But when I tell you I wear those shoes almost every single day. Anyways, then I have my toiletry bag. That is falling apart, but I have my lotion, deodorant, gel, this perfume that I got from Marshall's. I think it was Marshall's. It was. And it smells really good. It's still growing on me though. I like it when I have my oil on when it's mixed, but it's still growing on me, but I do really like it. And then I have my toothpaste and whatnot in here. And then for my carry-on bag, so this is my FedEx stuff for work. I always pack extra undergarments to put it nicely. This is my glasses case for the glasses I'm wearing. So in here I have the Kindle that I'm using. That's my coworkers that I'm borrowing. My charger. I'm actually going to use a different charger. My job has this charger that has all of the like ports that you will need. So it has all the sizes so it can charge my phone and other things all at the same time. So I'm going to bring that one instead. I have my passport, as I've shown you guys. I'm putting my compression socks in. I'm going to put one pair in my bag and the other two in my suitcase because I'm going to need those. I refuse to get swollen out here, okay? So then I have this other little pouch that one of my managers actually got this for me, which is very, very kind of her. We love her down. She's amazing. I put in the essentials. I'm actually about to run a quick errand to get one of those like pill cases so that I can just put, for example, like this. I don't want to bring this whole thing. I just want to bring a small little cube and call it a day with my Tums, my, headache, acetaminophen, okay? I have a mini lotion because I'm sure I'm going to want to wash my face and I'm not going to be left dry. I'm not doing that. Imagine. I'm bringing my lip mask. I'm bringing some Benadryl because if I need help going to sleep, that's coming with me. I have a hair tie in here. And that's it. So that's where I'm at. That's why this is a little chunky, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. That's gonna go right into this purse. So now we're gonna run one more errand, then I'm gonna come back, straighten up all of this. I'm gonna clean my bathroom a little because I hate leaving with a dirty room and a dirty bathroom. And then I'm gonna edit a video eat some dinner. I'm not starving because I had a huge lunch, so we'll see if I even eat that much. And yeah, we're gonna call it a day. I can't believe it. The time has come. It's funny because I've been looking at my calendar all month and it's just gone by so fast. I can't believe all of this is over. Yeah, so that's that. I also have these sweaters, but I low-key just feel like it's not cold enough there for that. I think I'll bring maybe this gray one, but low-key I'm tempted to just leave it. And I was gonna bring my scarf too, but I feel like I'm just gonna have to pick one. And low-key, I already have that other long cardigan sweater in my suitcase, that brown one over there, so I think I'm just gonna bring this scarf because I have a really cute jacket, and I showed it in one of my old videos actually. So that jacket is the one I'm gonna bring. But yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna go run this errand and then I'm gonna come back, have a cup of tea probably, and just finish up everything that I want to do before tomorrow. So BRB. Okay, a few self-care things that I'm gonna do tonight that I'm gonna show you in time lapse is I'm gonna redo my nails because they're just not looking the best. So I'm gonna redo those. And then I'm gonna do my face mask, and I have my eye mask, so I'll probably do that. And I haven't eaten yet, but I'm honestly just not that hungry. Ooh, so I'll probably keep it simple. But that's what I'm about to do.